Hey, Scott Grove here. Got a little tip for you. How do you trim off veneer overhang on a curved surface? This is actually a compound curve. This is kind of a real stringy and difficult veneer quarter sawn oak. So I could do it with a router. I could back cut it with a hand knife, but I can't because I got this raise here. So the tool to have is this. This is an underscribe for flooring. Has a sharp blade, and it's normally used a different way. It's used this way, but I can put it on here, register this blade to the surface of that or slightly higher. I can put this on here and run this down and score my veneer, and there you go. So that's how I do it. I'll put a link in down below on where to get that tool. So happy veneering.